Hi there, I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
I'm excited to show you this hidden gem that not many tourists know about. Before we begin, I kindly ask you to click the like button to show your support for my channel. Your feedback is valuable to me, and it encourages me to keep creating more content like this. Don't forget to leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Nova Icaria Beach is a charming seaside town that has something to offer to everyone. Whether you're seeking tranquility or adventure, you're sure to find it here. The beach is located in the heart of the city, so you can easily reach it by public transport or on foot. As we walk along the promenade, you can see the golden sands stretching out into the azure blue sea, and the sun is shining down on us, creating a beautiful atmosphere.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
The palm trees are swaying gently in the breeze, and the sound of the waves crashing against the shore is so peaceful and calming. There are plenty of activities to enjoy here. You can try out paddleboarding or kayaking, and there are many water sports centers that offer rentals. If you prefer to stay on land, you can take a stroll along the beach or play a game of beach volleyball with friends. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to click the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more travel videos.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!